Today, we'll be taking a look at the door handle on this Whirlpool top freezer refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. The main reason why you'd be replacing your handle is if it has some type of cosmetic damage. I notice a lot of times people's rings will cause almost like scratches on it. Maybe somebody hit it with a ball, but good news is it's not too hard to replace. In order to remove your handle, first we're going to open it up. Now on the bottom portion we have 2 Phillips screws that will need to be taken out. You want to be very careful when doing this so that the handle doesn't slide. And then on the top in here, we have 1 screw that is a set screw, and your refrigerator itself came with a small Allen wrench to take it out. So use the enclosed Allen wrench, loosen it up. You have to go a little bit further. When you're doing this, you're going to want to pull out. There we go. Pull it out and set the handle to the side. When reinstalling your handle, first we are going to start with the set screw portion. There is a circular hole in the top of the handle that will correspond with the top anchor. You will slide it in, hold it with your thumb, and then start to tighten it up on the side. And that set screw will draw it in. And you don't want to overdo it, just make sure it's snug and not going to wobble. Then we can switch to the bottom. Let's go ahead and reinstall our Phillips. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.